All right, tonight we're going to talk briefly about measures of central tendency. And probably you would know this also as averages. And most of the students, when they enter a statistics course, they're very familiar with one average, but we're going to look just at a simple example at why we sometimes average things a different way or look at different measures of central tendency. Pretend these are your grades, your quiz grades. You got 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, and then a 20. What would your final grade be? Well, doing the mean that we're all familiar with, we add them all up and divide by the number we have. So we have 100 plus, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 620. Divide that by 7 on my little cheat sheet here, and we get 88.6. So according to the mean, you got an 88.6, which is typically a B. So what the mean tells us is that you're a B student. Now what is the median? The median is the middle grade when we arrange all the grades in order. And I already have these ordered from biggest to smallest. It doesn't matter which way you go as long as you put them in order. There are 7 of these grades, so the middle one lies right here. So according to the median, your average is 100. That's your measure of central tendency, and now you're an A student. The mode is the grade that appears most often. In this case, we have 6 100s and only that 120. So the one that appears most often is the 100. So by the mode, using that measure, you're also an A student. Now, which one of these is more accurate? Of course, if it's your grade, you're liking these other two. But as a teacher, I like to look at the dispersion of your grades. This student got all 100s in this 120. So this 20 really does not fit in. This looks to me like an A student who had a bad day or rushed through that last quiz. So in this case, I would say a more accurate measure of this student's ability would be either the median or the mode. And why call this student a B student? She never got a B on any one test, yet we would call her a B student. So in some cases, the traditional average I don't think would be your most accurate. It's good to look at a median or a mode, and you kind of get a feel of that by just looking at the data. So that's how we figure out these measures of central tendency.